Paano kung makakuha ka ng 3-bedroom townhouse sa General Trias na starting at 2.49 million? Pero ito ang catch. Pang foreclosed property ito at may bidding sa July 27, 2026. So kung interesado ka, huwag mong hintayin ang bidding day bago ka kumilos. Located in Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. This is a townhouse inner lot with 59 square meter lot area and 65 square meter floor area. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, plus provision for 1 car garage. Perfect for a growing family or an investor looking for a property opportunity. Starting bidding price, 2,049,300 with a potential discount of 30% to 50% below market value. Bakit worth it ito? For investors, a lower acquisition price may give you more room for potential profit. Depending on the actual condition and market demand, you can explore rental income or future resale, especially if you can acquire the property at an attractive bidding price. 50,000 reservation, 10% down payment, payable up to 4 months, then 90% bank home loan. Take note, as is where is, bank fees and transfer of title are not included. July 27 na ang bidding. Kung gusto mong malaman ng complete details and requirements, comment Navarro 59 para ma-assist kita. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now. Opportunities like this don't wait, and neither should you.